Okay, so let's start to set up our development environment. This is a new Linux Mint installation here on a very old laptop. And the first thing we do is to confirm that Python is installed. We click on this little icon to open the terminal, and in the command line we type Python and press enter. And this will give us an error message, and it says, "Did you mean Python 3?" And the thing is that Linux Mint once came with Python 2 and with Python 3, but since the beginning of 2020, Python 2 is deprecated, and therefore this Linux Mint installation only comes with Python 3. So in order to start the Python 3 interpreter, we just type in Python 3, press enter, and then we can exit a print statement just to check whether everything is okay. And this seems to work, so I just exit out of the interpreter. Okay, and now we're ready to go and install Atom. So we just open our browser and open the website www.atom.io. And the website recognizes from which operating system we work, and in our case that's Linux. So we can simply click on the download dep installer package. In case that your website doesn't recognize Linux, then there's the other platforms link. This will redirect you to GitHub, and there we can download the Atom AMD64 dep package. So I've done that before, and I just change over to my download folder, and then I just click on this installation file. Now a message pops up that says that 7 other installation packages are required. I can have a look at the details if I want to, but actually just let's close that and hit the install package button. Confirm with our password, and then the installation takes place. Here again it says that we need to install additional software. Just press continue, and we run our installation process. Okay, at the end of the installation process, this ugly "same version is already installed" message appears. Let's ignore that and close the window and also the download folder. And now you should find a group which says programming in your menu, and in this group there's an icon for Atom. Now in order to start Atom, you can either click on the icon. Some people say you shouldn't do that and instead open a terminal. And in the terminal you just type Atom and press enter in order to start Atom. This is related to system variables, they say, but in our case, we can open our Atom from the group or from the icon, and we will take care of the system environment variables later on. Okay, so the first time we open Atom, we received this welcome information message. I just untick this show welcome guide when opening Atom, and I also close the welcome guide. Then we can determine whether we want to send usage data in this telemetry consent panel. I'm fine with that, so I just hit that button. And yeah, this is Atom now how we need it.